All right, guys, staying consistent here. Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back, TikTok. Let's pretty much get started for today. So obviously, we all know we made a big 5% move down. We consolidated a little bit, and now we're pretty much soaring forward. So what I am looking at, give me 1 second. So I'm pretty much looking at this price range right here. Let's go on like 4 hour here, and let's kind of see. All right, so just pretty much looking, let's kind of draw on the screen here. Pretty much looking for this price range to be broken through and then seeing how it reacts into this price range right here. And then obviously I'll be looking as it breaks through. I'll pretty much see if it decides to um, respect this price range right here, or if it decides to wants to rebound. But I feel like it already liquidated people that were down here. So the best way I can explain it in the terms of how I trade and what my strategy is. But strategy, we all know strategy is not everything. I would say it's like 1/3 of what you need to be a successful trader. You need to understand obviously sweeps of liquidity, and in this case, it's obviously blockchain orders. So um, let's continue here. So like I was saying, let's kind of backtrack a little bit. I'm worried about this 4 hour high here and if it's currently gonna break through it. Currently, we are maintaining bullish order flow after we made that really swift move down, and then obviously we kind of capitulated down here, or another word, consolidated, kind of down here. As we go on like lower time frames here, you can obviously kind of see we just kind of move slightly upwards, but not as swift as we move down here. But as soon as we came in this price range right here, since it moved so fastly through here, we just kind of move swiftly through there. So like I said, we're waiting off of this 4 hour high here. Obviously you can kind of see it's just the candlesticks are really close, and they kind of don't know what they want to do here, but I'm almost certain that as soon as we get through here, we're going to be continuing this bullish order flow. And then obviously we got some good crypto news here. I'll always kind of take a look at this every day here, because it'll kind of tell me why it kind of moves so swiftly through here. But I'm a candlestick reader, so candlesticks will kind of explain here. So like I said, I probably said it already like 3 times already. I'm kind of sorry, but this is very important. So let's go in like a 30-minute price range here. So like I said, I'm just kind of waiting for this. This is kind of a high resistance, but this really matters right here. Let me just kind of circle this so y'all guys, that is what really matters here. And then like I said, this price range, or actually this is what I'm looking out for as soon as we break structure here. So yeah, these price range right here is really what I'm kind of looking out for. So let me just kind of circle it one more time. Let's actually go on a higher price range, because it's a lot smaller and it's a lot better to draw on. So like I said, I'm pretty much worried, or pretty much waiting for an entry within this price range right here. Obviously we know higher time frames hold higher power here. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm looking at. So once again, since we're both bullish on 1 hour, 30-minute, and also 15 minutes, so I'm probably going to scale down to like a 5-minute time frame, and then entry off of probably like a breaker structure, or like a inverse value gap, or really like an order block, not equilibrium, because I mean we're already pushing past equilibrium here. If I'm not mistaken here, let's kind of draw it from this high here. We're almost getting to equilibrium. I guess we could kind of draw it down to there. So yeah, actually I was wrong, and we are um, nearing equilibrium. So probably equilibrium as soon as we pretty much pass through here. I'm probably taking like a 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. I'm sorry that took a lot to explain, but I just really wanted to get that point across. And since this will be probably a big swift move, I'm thinking here. And yeah, so I just wanted to spend quite a lot of time on that, because futures wasn't looking good today, and I didn't really trade futures. But one of my good trader friends was pretty much telling me about this swift move, and I was like, what? And yeah, I was kind of had a wow factor right there, because I'm pretty much just waiting this. So that's pretty much it for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin was pretty primarily the thing that I wanted to talk about in today's video here. But let's kind of get into futures here. Tomorrow will definitely be a better trading day. I did want to catch this big move down here. I almost did. But we kind of we did make a fast, swift move down here. So yeah, tomorrow will probably be a better trading day for when it comes to futures, and then yeah, see, that's what I was pretty much talking about. I mean, if y'all caught this, probably you could have probably caught a 1 to 4 years. Kind of look at it here, because I was looking here. So yeah, you definitely could have caught like a 1 to 4 if y'all were watching, because we did. This was the manipulation candle right there, and then I probably would have put highs. So you really could have caught a 1 to 6. I mean, it was pretty decent, but I wasn't kind of really looking at that. I was primarily looking at Bitcoin for today. So it was okay trading day when it comes to futures there. I was kind of looking because yeah, this was I would have took this trade. But I was just looking at Bitcoin since we kind of rallied there. You could have definitely traded this move down here. If you did, then that was pretty great. Cause I mean, this would have been your manipulation right here. I was kind of looking here, and then manipulation candle. But I took that trade. So yeah, that's pretty much it for when it comes to the trading for today. So let me just mark out my highs to week. Yeah, we already came above it. So yeah, this would be the new session high, and then waiting for pretty much London session. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. So that's pretty much it for today, and then let's talk about some motivation here. And I'm just going to primarily speak from word of mouth, and then we'll pretty much wrap this trading video up here. I'm just kind of marking out what I'm looking at for tomorrow, because I think we might maintain bullish order flow for tomorrow as well. And then let's not mark out 15-minute lows just yet there. Let's get this marked out 30-minute lows maybe, because I've been primarily using 30-minute lows. And then we can also get this off of here as well. And then I'll up over to Bitcoin. And then since, yeah, we already broke structure there, I'm just waiting for a little bit of manipulation, and then we're pretty much there. So I just want y'all to, I'll speak from here. And then obviously I'll get another video out tomorrow. All right, so if y'all have a desire and a passion to keep on trading and to keep on watching these videos there, I want to tell you, I wish I would have started sooner. Trading is a very lucrative thing, and if you have, there should be nothing stopping you from wanting to do this. Like, I have a lot of people that like me for trading, and they think it's literally the greatest thing they've ever seen, and I have people that just nearly hate on me, and that's pretty much just noise. You shouldn't let those thoughts impact your entire life. Obviously, everybody has a lot of things going on in their life, and a lot of people have noise or people that are around them, and they just pretty much drag them down. Please do not let that stop you from trading. Trading is one of the greatest. It teaches you a lot about yourself and a lot of psychology. I put my blood, sweat, and tears when it comes into trading. Trading is literally everything to me. It keeps me grounded. I look forward to it every single hour, minute, second of my life. Yes, it's a big part of my life, and obviously I have other things that I do, but primarily I'm putting all my focus into trading right now because I have a burning passion to keep on doing this. And I don't care what anyone says. I don't care what anyone says. This will be my bread and butter when it comes to what I want to do. And I'm probably going to take a big risk and not go to college because I am so into this. Like, it's a great thing to get into. Please do not let no one hold you back when it comes into trading. You've probably already failed accounts. You've probably already heard your parents tell you that, like, this is not it. Go to college, get a job, get a 9 to 5, or go to trade school. If this is what you like, please keep doing it. Please keep doing it. I swear. And if you're in e-commerce or if you're in TikTok shop or anything like that, please keep doing it. Trading is a great thing. And if you have a burning passion to make money online, like I do, YouTube, if YouTube's your thing, playing games and posting on YouTube, please keep doing it. It if you enjoy the foundation, if you enjoy the ride, please come into it like that. Don't come into it just like, oh, I want to make money. No, you have to be in it for the process. The process is what really matters. I've heard that so many times and I just kind of pushed it off. No, it is seriously the thing you have to enjoy the most. That is literally the foundation. That's literally what you start off. So I just wanted to talk about that. Please keep going. Please, I know it's hard. I seriously know it's hard. I am literally in that stage of trading right now where I'm making a little bit of money, but I'm also kind of losing in a little bit. I'm in that kind of stage when it comes to trading. Um, I've passed a couple of funded accounts. I've failed countless funded accounts. So I just wanted to get that off my chest, and I want to give you that motivation to please keep going. Come on, have that discipline, guys. Please keep going. So that's pretty much it, and I'm gonna leave off with that for today. Thank you, guys. I seriously do appreciate it. I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow.